Serve a little sad.
So I used to have your job.
Got a little side of ass.
Got to go to Paris Fashion Week.
Do a little swirl.
Wore a bunch of pieces from the Chanel collection that year.
Let 'em know I'm that girl.
You still have all of it?
No, I gave it away.
What?
Would have been a bit much for a newsroom.
This is you.
Oh,
Who gives away Chanel?
I'm feeling fab, I'm feeling free, I feel exceptionally.
You are here to help us through our current scandal.
Click, 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 everywhere I go.
But I did not hire you, and all I need to do is bide my time until you fail. Won't you take the train, dear?
Might show up late, might be on time. Just wait, I'm coming.
I'm going to make something of this job.
You could write a book. The definitive Mirando Priestly expose.
May the bridges I burn light my way.
Wait. I hope that's not what you're wearing to the dinner. That's all.
Fendi, we need that. The Brunello Cucinelli pants, love those. And we definitely need an embroidered two-piece totem set, but not the terracotta because you're so pale.
My neck is hot. Oh my God, just hide a feeling for once, please.
I just love my job.
Monday through Sunday, I can turn a dance floor into a runway. Born for the runway.